Hi, Terry Swejkoski here with another segment of Living with Conscious Clarity. In today's segment, I'll be exploring Christ consciousness as a guide for spiritual seekers. Christ consciousness is a term often associated with Jesus Christ, but it's not limited to a single religious belief or tradition. It's actually a state of being that transcends any specific religion and speaks to the universal truths of love, compassion, and enlightenment. To understand Christ consciousness, we need to first remove any stigma of religious interpretation. Christ consciousness is a highlighted state of awareness characterized by unconditional love, compassion, and oneness with all beings. It's a realization that we are all interconnected and part of a greater whole. This state of consciousness transcends our egos and allows us to see beyond our narrow perspectives. So you might ask, how do we awaken to Christ consciousness without getting lost in these narrow perspectives? Well, the truth is, the path to awakening Christ consciousness is a deeply personal and transformative journey. It requires a willingness to look within and confront the illusions of separation and fear that dominate much of the human experience. Through meditation, prayer, and mindfulness, we begin to quiet the mind and tune into the still, small voice of truth within us. This inner work opens the door to profound self-discovery, revealing the divine spark connected to all of us and all of creation. By cultivating humility, forgiveness, and love daily, we align ourselves with the essence of Christ consciousness. It's not an idea to strive for in some distant future, but a presence waiting to be embraced in the here and now. Each moment offers us an invitation to choose love over fear, unity over division, and compassion over judgment. This conscious choice is the foundation of spiritual awakening, not religious dogma. Ultimately, awakening to Christ consciousness means recognizing the divine nature within ourselves and in others. It's a surrender to the boundless potential of love, which guides us to live in harmony with the universe and to serve a higher purpose. The more we embody this state, the more we become vessels of light, inspiring others to awaken to their inner truth as well. Many spiritual seekers strive for this level of consciousness as it brings a deep sense of peace, understanding, and unity with the divine. Achieving Christ consciousness is not about following a strict set of rules or dogmas. Instead, it's about nurturing an inner transformation. It involves letting go of fear, judgment, and separation, allowing love and compassion to flow freely through one's thoughts, actions, and interactions. To walk the path towards Christ's consciousness, one must cultivate practices that still the mind and open the heart. Meditation, contemplation, prayer, and self-service can all be powerful tools for aligning with this higher state of being. Through these practices, we begin to dissolve the illusion of otherness and recognize the divine essence within ourselves and all living beings. This spiritual awakening is not an endpoint, but an ongoing process of inner growth and connection, inviting us to live as vessels of light, love, and truth. Ultimately, Christ consciousness teaches us that the divine is not something external to seek. It exists within each of us, just waiting to be realized. Until next time, namaste.